Hoy! Ano? Palakpakan, ha? Palakpakan ng
Bill!
tao. Oh.
She didn't know even how to split or something. What is that? Do you think you're better enough and that is your best or something?
Okay. What?
I want a better performance or something.
Oh, what can you say?
Hindi naman ako
Sorry.
pumas sa pag-split yun.
Bill, I don't understand Tagalog, you know it.
I'm sorry. She can't understand you.
She talks strange. She talks strange or
You talk
something.
strange now. What do you want?
You know what? I can't understand your English.
No!
That's why.
No! You know why? I raised in Paris. That's why I don't understand Tagalog
Come
or
here, come here. What
something.
can you say? What can you say? Come on. What they're talking about? What they're talking about? Come on. Okay.
What are you talking about?
I'm talking about my language or something.
Oh my God.
About you. Come here, come here. You.
That's it?
Come on. Oh, okay.
That's all you can do, guys?
Hipos na lang bala ka mo tatlo, pero tigagahon sa inyo bala.
Okay. All right. Okay. Pwede na nanay. Pwede na kayo. Thank you very much. Girls, dami that girls. Dito kayo. Yan. Dani, tabit. Hoy, asik-asik mo. Yan. Alright, tatakpan na po natin to. Good luck. Nanay, W pa kinalap natin. Sana makakuha niyo ang W para makakuha niyo ang mega jackpot. Nanay Angelita, spin! A wheel for the jackpot! Good luck! W po ang kinalap natin sa ating 3 letters. W-I-L, kompleto na. Ayan na! Bihira lumabas ng W, bihira lumabas. Lalabas kaya ngayong araw na to.
Ayan na.
Oh, bumabalik. Okay. Alright, Nay. Asa ba tayo? Yan na lang. Okay na. Meron na siyang total of 20,000 cash. Tanangilita, kayo po yung nagpapala na inyong mga anak. Anong gusto mong i-wish her luck, okay?
Good luck.
Good luck. Alright, good luck, Nanay Angelita. Bibigyan kita ng 50,000!
We'll go home.
Maganda
We'll
ba?
stay.
Maganda yata yung something or nothing. Pwede, no? Something or nothing. I like that, okay? Go! Bibigyan kita ng 50,000!
Something or nothing.
Something.
Something. There's something there or nothing. Is there something there? 60,000!
Something or nothing.
Something.
Something pa rin. 65,000!
Something or nothing.
Something.
Something pa rin. Something ang gusto niya. Meron kayang laman ang something ito. Pero bago lahat, Nanay, ito pala pwede mong padalunan. Ito na ang 1 million cash! Bago natin buksan niya ang 1 million cash. That's right. At siyempre, meron po tayong brand new car. Ito na, ito. Ayan, go girls! Ayan, nakikita nyo, nasa labas mo yan. The brand new car! Pag nakakuha ang W, meron kayong 1 million, meron pa kayong isang brand new kotse. Kompleto na at hindi lang yan, meron pa kayong house and lot!
Ito na ang inyong Spin a Wheel Dream House, bigay ng Camellia Homes. A beautiful up and down 2-bedroom house. At kumpleto ng mga gamit. Living room showcase. Kitchen showcase. And bedroom showcase. At pwede ka pang makiparty sa clubhouse at swimming pool. Yan ang bahay na babago sa inyong buhay. Hatid ng Willing Willie.
Kaya pag naglaro po kayo sa Spin a Wheel Jackpot, yan ang pwede yung makakuha. House and lot, 1 million, at siyempre po, isang brand new kotse. Kung may anak kayo, ba, meron kayo scholarship. Para Nanay, meron na po kayo 65,000. Something or nothing. If there's something there, pwede kang manalo. If there's nothing, well, ganoon talaga ang buhay. Pero you have 65,000. 65,000!
Something or nothing.
Lovely, come on.
Something.
Magano kayo? Magsalita kayo dyan.
Something.
Okay. Something pa rin.
Will, talungin naman natin yung anak ni Mami kung anong ma-advise nila.
Halika.
Yan, si Mark and si Ladan.
Anong gusto nyo? Kasi 65,000 na. Ganito, lapit. Yan. Sama-sama, pamilya. Ano, okay?
Something pa rin po.
Something pa rin.
Something daw.
Sigurado. Huling tawag na to, ha? 70,000!
Something or nothing!
Something or nothing?
Something.
Something pa rin daw. Andito kaya ang W. Isa. Dalawa.
Nothing.
Ha?
Nothing.
Nothing na. Nothing. So, ibig sabihin, nothing, pera na. Okay, 70,000. Up.
Teka, may sinasabi
Ayan,
pa.
sige.
Will.
Dito ka sa tabi ko para mas-save ka.
Wala sa ano ko eh.
Kaya pamilya kasi yun eh, okay? Mag-usap ng pamilya. Okay. Meron na kayong 70,000. Something.
Something or nothing?
Nothing.
Hindi, mas maganda yata Tagalog. Uwi, hindi. Yun na lang. Bato yun sa'yo. Uwi! Hindi!
Uwi.
Uwi na! Uwi na! So, 7,000. Walang sisiyan. Go, ano? One time. Dahan-dahanin mo, ha? Hindi, ha? Timing, ha? Tingnan natin. Baka swerte. Okay. Oh! Tingnan! Ayun na! One! Galing! Music!
Ako yung kinabahan para kay Mami. At si Mami Angelita po, meron na po na panalunan na total na 20,000 pesos plus 70,000 with a total of 90,000 pesos.
Yes, congratulations! Thank you very much.
Congratulations po sa lahat po na nakasama namin ngayong gabi. DJ
you very
Mo,
much.
ayan, batiin rin po natin Zoe Salonga and Sheila, Tracy Trinidad and Philip Castel.
Okay, Sunny Heart, of course, susunod, Broken Hearts Club. At, wow, Mega Noon, kita-kita tayo bukas, 6:30 lang, dito lang sa Willing Willy. Maraming salamat, studio!
Ang programang ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Vaseline Shampoo. Ang dating 3, ngayon 4 na. New Vaseline